What's up, everybody out there on YouTube? Back again with another video. So you know that I installed a Torque 450s on my brand new 2022 Road Glide ST on my brand new 2022 Harley Davidson Street Glide ST. So it's the Street Glide ST, and we did a startup video for you guys, but now I'm gonna do a video so you guys can see how it sounds gears 1 through 6. So we're gonna put it out there on the road, and you know, we're gonna get some sound footage, hopefully, you know, that it comes through perfect for you guys can understand and get a good idea of what it sounds like. We know what it sounds like when it starts up, but how does it sound when you switch it through, when you're switching through those 1 to 6 gears? So we about to do that right now for you guys, so let's get it. Guys, so that was a look at the Torque 450. We're here, you know, from my view. We're gonna take it back this way here. I had the Torque 450 on my Lowrider S. I liked them that much, so you know, I decided to go with the same ones on here. People was telling me to get all these different other type of brands, but you know, I stayed to what I know. All right, so we're running second. That's third. You can see. At about 4. We at 4,000 right now in third. Fourth gear. And one thing that I like about this ST is that my bags are kind of not low to the ground, so I still have the leaning capabilities that I'm used to, you know. Coming from a street bike, that was important to me to still be able to kind of maneuver the bike the way that I was accustomed to, and I think it worked out pretty good with this particular bike. I went with the Street Glide also because, you know, it have the radio and stuff on it right there up front. My gauges are up front. On my lowrider, my 2020 Lowrider S, the gauges was on the tank. I had to look down, and that was super annoying. But now I feel like this is a more all-around bike. If I want to, you know, go and get some fun in, like with the speed side, you know, of course I still have my 2020 Gixxer 750, GSXR 750. But this bike is definitely a nice, solid touring bike, and it has plenty of power. I know a lot of guys be doing stage kits and all that stuff, but I don't feel the need to do that. Of course, it's not as quick as what I'm used to with the street bike, but man, this thing has some get up and power to go. So what more can you really ask for? You know, I'm definitely very satisfied with it. You know, it was a good decision to go from the 2020 lowrider to the Street Glide ST. And of course, they make the ST in the lowrider. So the lowrider ST, I'm glad they did move that gauge cluster off of the tank and put it up front so you can see it, get more of a visibility with that. So you're not bending your head down, taking your eyes off the road, bending your head down to look at your speed. But let me know what you guys think. You know, I decided that I wanted to give you guys a 1 through 6, you know, when it comes to the Torque 450, the sound of the actual muffler, you know, not just a startup video, not just only startup, but to also hear how, you know, the muffler sound going from 1 to 6. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. I am enjoying my 2022 Street Glide ST. I'm still trying to get that neutral thing together, because if I'm going down into neutral or up into neutral, it's still skipping that neutral spot. So a lot of times I be having to stick my hand down there and manually put it in neutral instead of my foot, but that's okay. But here's a look at it. Those pipes are definitely very beefy on here. I think I would have liked them to be a little bit more on the swimmer side, but as you can see, those things stick out the back massively. Very massive. But here it is, guys. Definitely enjoying the Street Glide ST. Plenty of power. When it comes to the 117, I don't think it really sounds no different. The Torque 450s probably sound identical on a 114, you know, versus this Milwaukee 8 with the 117. But the pipes does sound really good to me. Very, very good. They're not over loud and overbearing and overpowering. So I think it's a good fit, depending on if you want that kind of the middle point, you know, not too loud and not too quiet either, because when you rev it, it does give you a good pop. It does give you a nice deep tone. So that's all I have for you guys in this video. So thank you guys for watching. And as always, like, share, subscribe, and until next time, see you in the next video.